Dear students, welcome to the video lecture of array of structures. Array of structure. It is possible to make an array of structures. In the first example, the previous video session, we discussed about what is a structure, how to create a structure, and we create the variable for the 3 students and store the records of the 3 students. Now we are in a situation we have to store the records for the 100 students. Okay, declaring a separate variable of a structure is definitely not a good option. In this case, we have to create an array of structure. If you take a normal variable which store the only one value, an array which store the n values of the say similar data type, a single structure variable which store the record of a particular instance. So the record of a particular instance. Okay, this previous example, previous video, we discussed how to store the record of a students. So array of structure will store the record of the n students. That is the advantage of the array of structure. There are two methods in declaring an array of structure. The method two way of declaring array of structure. You have to give use struct keyword followed by a name and open and close parenthesis. You have to give a data type followed by member. You are able to declare n members. Then actually after the close parenthesis before the semicolon, you have to mention the what is this? You have to mention the variable name, and as well as within open and close square bracket you have to mention the structure. This is known as an array of structure. We are able to store the up to the size we are able to store the records of the particular structure. Second method, okay, instead of declaring the structure variable name during a structure definition, we can declare it inside the main. Okay, like this, you have to create a struct followed by a suitable name and open close parenthesis. Within the open close parenthesis, we'll write data type and member. Data type and member, you have to declare n members and close it. Okay, in void main, you have to give a struct keyword followed by structure variable name. Here, the name is a structure variable name, and as well as the other size. Okay, size of the structure variable to be given here. Okay, structure name variable and as well as structure name followed by variable and followed by open and close square bracket. You have to mention the size. This two way we are able to declare this structure variable. We'll see an example for the array of structure. See the example. Here I am in a situation to create store the record of the 5 students. Okay, struct student. It contains the 3 members: integer, roll number, character name of 30, integer phone number. Okay, and I close the structure. I give a semicolon. So the structure definition is complete. So in main, what I am doing, I am declaring a array of structure struct followed by structure name and followed by structure variable name student, and I give 5. Okay, this structure variable will store the record of the 5 students. Okay, for to give an input, I have written a loop here. Okay, loop will goes from starts from 0 up to 4. Okay, starts from 0. We have to store the record of the 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 4 students. Okay, so 0 I less than 4 I plus plus. Okay, it will print student 1. Okay, so if I plus 1 gives, it will print student 1. Okay, the percentage D will take the value. If I ask the enter the roll number, the roll number will be stored in this student of 0, i's value is 0, 0 dot roll number and 0th element. And likewise name, student of 0 dot name, as well as put enter the phone number, kind of percentage D is a format for integer, ampersand, the structure variable, okay, open close parenthesis, the loop variable, student of 0 dot phone number. So for essentially 0th record will get generated for the student, the first element. Next for I will become 1. Likewise, we will get the student title of the student number 1. I will become 2. Okay, I will become 3. So it will up to 0, 1, 2, 3. It will store the record of the 4 students. Okay. After that, I have to print the data which is entered recently. I'm writing the same loop variable here. Okay, and I'm giving print of entered data. For I equal to 0, I less than for I plus plus. Here I will print of student. Percentage we will take the value of I plus 1. Okay, initially I is 0, student 1. Roll number equal to percentage D. It will take the value of the student of 0. I is 0. No, 0 dot roll number. It will get printed. Name equal to percentage student of 0 dot name, and phone number equal to percentage D. It will take the student of 0 dot phone number. Likewise, I is become 1. The record of the second student, okay, will be displayed. I is become 2. Third student will be declared displayed. I is become 3. The four students will be displayed. Okay, after that, when I is become 4, it will come out of the loop. Okay, So in this manner, the program is working. Now we will execute the program and see the result. We'll execute the program. Okay, student number 1, I'm giving a roll number 1. Name is Arun. I'm giving a value. Some number I have given. Okay, it asks, and student number 2, roll number 2, Bharat. I'm giving phone number. Okay. Then student number 3, roll number 3. Okay, his name is Rajav. Okay, I give some phone number for him. And student number 4, enter the roll number is 4. Okay, name is Swami, and I give some phone number. So my data entry is over. After that, what it will do? Okay, this is my output. Okay, it displays student 1, roll number 1, Arun, and his phone number. Student number 2 and his roll number 2, name Bharat, and phone number is given. Like students number 3, roll number, name, and phone number. And 4, okay, roll number 4, name Swami, and phone number. So all the 4 records are created and it is displayed. Okay, so you want to you want to actually increase this. Okay, you have to give a 5, or you will get a the value n from the user. For example, I want to store the n records. So what I am doing? Okay, I'm declaring that I'm declaring structure a bigger size. Okay, the structure will store the record of 100 students. So what I'm doing? I'm declaring a variable, an integer I, comma n. I ask the user printf /n, enter the number of students. Okay, I store this value in the variable n, scanf %d, comma ampersand n. Okay, in the loop variable, what I am doing? I equal to 0 up to go I less than n. You will give 3, you will give 10, whatever you want, you will give. Like this loop variable, output variable, I'm giving n here. Okay, since I'm giving a value, we'll get a size. Okay, enter the number of students from the user, and we will run the loop according to this. We'll store the value. We'll check it out. Okay, for example, I want to record of 5 students. So roll number 1, name is Arun. I have some phone number. Okay, student number 2, roll number 2, Bharat, and I have some phone number. Okay, enter roll number. Okay, so 3, the name Raja, and I give some phone number. So student number 4. Okay, I enter. Actually, I'm giving a roll number 4, name Ramu. I enter some phone number. And the student number 5, I'm entering roll number as a 5. Okay, enter name Rahul and some phone number. So my data entry is over. Okay, after that we'll display the records. So my data entry is over. Data student record 1 is displayed, roll number 1, Arun, and phone number. Student 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, all the records are displayed here. So in this way, we are able to create the array of structure and execute it. Okay, so that's it for this video lecture, and thanks for watching it.